So hello smart audience, today I'm going to talk about how you can be good at researching. Yeah, you want to research about any topic and you want to make videos on YouTube, you want to do research for your school project, whatever the reason would be, okay? But you want to be good at researching because you like acquiring knowledge, okay? So first of all, I am going to tell you how to become good at researching, okay? Grab your seat and eat some popcorns. If you don't want, just forget it, okay? For example, me, I run a YouTube channel named Captain Samir, and I started this YouTube channel because I love documentaries. When I saw some documentaries on YouTube, specifically James Johnny, Johnny Harris, and Jake Chan, I was obsessed with documentaries. Okay, I watched documentaries after documentaries, and these kind of YouTubers, these kind of documentaries are very awesome. So they do really good researching, man. Like their researching is very awesome. Okay, they really study facts and they tell you the information that most people can't give you. Okay, so how to do researching like that? Okay, if you want to research like CoffeeZilla, I would like to give up about this topic because no one can research like CoffeeZilla. He's very expert on this. It's the greatest journalist on YouTube. I think CoffeeZilla is amazing. But if you want to do the normal researching, start with basic. Okay, let's choose a topic. Okay, for research. Okay, so for example, let's take a topic about can India beat China in terms of GDP? Okay, can China become well, can China be always in the top, or India is gonna become superpower more better than China? Okay, this is the question. This is the topic you want to research about. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, go in the Chrome, yeah, and search about this. Okay, can India beat China in terms of GDP or financial growth, economic growth? Okay, so you see, India's economic growth is nice. Okay, I'm not going to talk about this topic. Okay, I'm just telling you about the research skills. So you will find 80% of the answer in the website. Okay, that's some result will come out and you will see some website and you can go there, you can read articles from New York Times, the Hindustan Times, whatever the article would be, the research would be. You had research and you will find it's like 80% of the information you can find it easy to find. Okay, go and see some website, you will find it depends on your learning skills, it depends on your understanding, how good you understand the topic, and how good you can just create things like, okay, this thing is happening, and then you can really create a good script after researching like that. So rest of the thing you have to understand, search on YouTube. Okay, search on YouTube also. So research about what other people are saying about the same topic. Okay, what other guys are saying about this topic. Some people say this is possible, some people say this is not possible. Why people are saying this is possible, that India can become a next superpower? Okay, why people, some people say that India can't be powerful as China. Everybody has their own perspective, but if you think logically, okay, so logically India is far behind than China. So that's why economics are saying that India can't beat China. But some people are like saying that economic growth of India, so some people are like, okay, India can defeat China. So everybody has perspective, that there's one side or two side. So you go on YouTube, you search, you will find some answers. Go and search on Google, go and search on Wikipedia, read articles after articles. Okay, and how to find informations, you have to research a lot for that. Okay, the same research you can also find some resource income research, research by like some apps, like some Reddit. You can read Reddit posts, and most important part, it is X, like previously known as Twitter. You can find some tweets and you can understand all of this topic. It is not very hard to do researching, unless you are researching like CoffeeZilla. Okay, unless you are researching very high, okay, very high research. But if you just want to research for your YouTube videos, if you want to research for your any normal person, basic purpose, is gonna be amazing. If you want to research like CIA, then I can't suggest you how to search like that, okay? Because I'm not a CIA agent. I can just tell you how to be good at researching, like normal research. Oh fuck! Sorry. And by the way, if you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon.